welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a thorough review on this company called TTDEYE. I purchased these contacts from them. I actually got 3 different pairs, 3 different shades, one in the shade of blue, one green, and also one hazel. So I want to come and show you guys how they look. Not in natural lighting, but in the ring light, and also give my honest opinion. So if you would like to know how they look on dark eyes, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. And if you're a visitor, thank you so much for watching, and please, I would love for you to join my channel. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and also I would love for you to comment and let me know what you guys think, and if you're thinking about purchasing these contacts. So don't go anywhere, you guys, stay tuned, because I'm going to give you guys full details. All right, so let's get into the details first. I purchased these contacts on my own. I did the buy 2 get 1 free, and I believe I paid about $70 or $80 for the entire thing. I have all 3 pairs right here. This is the box that it came in. So they all come individual like this in the plastic containers that you will usually see contacts come in. They have on the back has a description of, not description, but just more details, as it has also in the back here. It tells you the name of the lens, also like the model, and the thickness of them, if they do have prescription as well, but I don't have prescription, so I got a 00, or I will put that down below. Yeah, I got like a 0 because I don't need any contacts with special lenses. So mine are just regular, and you can find that option on the website. Also, they come with these individual containers with the left and right. And they also come with like the little tweezers and the things that you can take out the contacts with. But I'm scared to put them in, so I will be using my hands. And throughout this video, I think I might take my lashes off and just apply them without them, because I think that might be kind of hard. I see people doing it, but I'm kind of scared, to be honest. So I did order 3 pairs. One is called Qeen Brown, the other one is Qeen Blue, and the third one is called Real Khaki. And all these colors, I'm going to be trying them out on camera. I'm also going to be showing you a clip of where I unboxed these contacts and how I separated all 3, because they're only separated. They only have their names on the boxes. So after I got done separating them, I just put the box in here just so I can keep them all separated, so I don't get them mixed up. And I also show you how the box comes and what comes in the little box in the container. I will say that you will have to purchase your own contact solution with this, because it only has the solution that it came in. So you'll have to purchase your own. Also, ordering. It took about a month, to be honest. I ordered this back in May, and now it's June, and I just received my package. I was a little disappointed. I thought it would come in at least a couple weeks, but it did take, in fact, a month. And I see like a lot of different mixed reviews about how long it took other people to get there, so I'm not really sure how long it would take for you if you purchased. Also, I will say that the packaging is pretty. You get a few things with it. I don't have any problem with the packaging, just the amount of time that it took. Threw me for a loop. And yeah, so that's the only thing that was a surprise. these ones I have in are the Qeen Brown, but they look green. That's interesting. They look, and I don't know if that's because I have dark brown eyes that they look this color, but it says that these are supposed to be, yeah, these are supposed to be like a brown color. So that's really interesting to me. I will say that these feel very comfortable. They are just a slight blurry, but I think that's just my eyes trying to adjust to them. But other than that, I think that they're very comfortable, and I wouldn't mind wearing these all day. I will be purchasing, like I said, some solution. Also, if your eyes tend to get dry with contacts, just use some eye drops. I don't have a particular kind to recommend, but I know that eye drops also help as well. So I'm going to be taking these ones off, and I don't think I'm going to do it on camera because that's going to be kind of complicated. Yeah, so I'm going to take them off, take these ones out, and then I'm going to put another kind in. I'm thinking about putting the blue ones in next, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I took them out, and they actually weren't that bad to take out. So I'm gonna try to, on camera, put in the blue ones. If I can. Might be a little complicated, but bear with me. Oh, shoot. Okay. And I already washed my hands. So I'm gonna start off with the right eye first. How they look. Trying to get situated here so I don't spill. Now that was the struggle trying to do this on camera. Oh my God. So these are the blue ones that I have in. And this is my regular eye, and this is blue. I think they look cute. So, yeah. Probably, I'm gonna put both of them in. This one is not blurry or anything. Yeah. And it actually in the dark, it looks like a deeper blue. But I'm in the light trying to show you guys how they look right now. So, let me put the other one on. Okay, so here are the other blue. Okay. So I have it in, and this is how it looks with both of them in. I think they look cute, but gonna have to get used to these. Yeah, but I think they look kind of cute. Okay, so this is how I take them out. I just pinch my eye and I get them out like that. Easy, easy peasy. I'm gonna do the right. This is kind of complicated doing this. This is kind of like a mirror, but not really, so it's a little complicated. But I did it. Hey. And my eyes just feel a little irritated from me touching in them, but they're fine. So let's get started with the khaki. Okay, so these are the khaki color. And just gonna put this off to the side. Put it here. These remind me of the first ones that I had in, which were the Qeen Brown. I think they're just a little deeper green looking, but that's how they look. You guys can see. Okay, so let me put the other one on. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting the left one in. Do the same thing. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm all up in this camera. Okay. So these are how these ones are looking. Okay, so this color is the Real Khaki, and as you can see, it looks similar to the Qeen Brown, but they're more dramatic. In natural lighting, they are like a darker green, and they almost look like a cat eye. And I actually think that these ones are my favorite. And yeah, so I think these ones are my favorite because they look so real. And I'm gonna try to add some pictures so you guys can see how they came out and how they look. But this is how these ones look. So that's pretty much it. They all feel very comfortable. They're not irritating. I will have to do an update to let you guys know like how long they last me, also how they look in natural lighting. But I'm going to be inserting some pictures with them. Okay, so my final thoughts is that I love these contacts. I think I got some cool colors. Kind of bummed that the first one, the last one, the Qeen Brown and also the Khaki, they look very similar, but I'm pretty sure like, you know, different color outfits will bring them out differently. So I'm interested to see how that works. But other than that, I do think that these are worth the purchase. They're cheap, they're not expensive. Like I said, they have a sale going on. You can get 2 or 3 pairs and get another one or 2 for free. So it doesn't hurt. The only thing is you might have to just wait between, I think the shortest maybe 2 weeks to a month to receive these. All right, you guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. I will be wearing these contacts throughout my videos, so you guys will see them in different shades of lighting. I will be sure to take some pictures to let you guys see how they photograph. And that's about it. I could do a follow-up as well to let you guys know how these contacts hold up and if they are gonna last me, if they last me over time. Okay, so I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesdays are dedicated to beauty and anything beauty and fashion. And on Sundays, I post my lifestyle content. So stick around, don't be a stranger. Please, please, please comment because I love talking to you guys. And as always, it's a pleasure. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Peace.